Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x80D02017 in Windows 10, then either read through this article on the Windows Club, we have shared the link in the description section, or simply watch this video and follow the solutions in a sequential manner. The first solution is to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Click on the Start button, select Settings, scroll down to Updates and Security, go to the Troubleshoot tab, click on Additional Troubleshooters and scroll down to the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Click on Run the Troubleshooter to run it. The second solution would be to reset the Windows Store, and this would basically resolve all possible issues with the Windows Store application. Click on the Start button, select Settings, go to Apps and Features, scroll down to Microsoft Store in the list. Click on it, select Advanced Options, and then go to Reset and click on the Reset button to reset the Microsoft Store. Now, if the issue is not with the Microsoft Store application, it could also be with the network. So, to isolate this possibility, we will disable the IPv6 network. Press the Windows key and the R button to open the Run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network and select properties. Then scroll down to IPv6 or Internet Protocol version 6 and uncheck the box associated with it. Click on OK to save the settings, and this is done. Now, another reason for this error could be a VPN client or a proxy server. So, we can remove third-party VPN clients by disabling them, and for the proxy server, you can disable it as follows. Click on the Start button, select Settings, go to Network and Internet. Here is the option for VPN if it's an inbuilt VPN, and for proxy, use the last option. Make sure that the switch associated with automatically detect settings is on and the one associated with manual proxy settings is off. Lastly, you can also consider disabling third-party security software because they may be causing this error. And if the issue still persists, then go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.